What's up, y'all? We back with one of the best videos in the world, man. Today we just got in the Electro & Co. Extreme Kit, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody never did nothing like this. We about to turn this red thing right here into a beast. This gonna be the red beast, one of the cleanest red razor MX500s that's gonna be on YouTube today. So let's open up this package. Enough with all that talking, because we gotta get this battery on that charger over there so we can get this thing put together. We gotta get this thing put together by tonight, right? So we could be ripping today. So let's open them up. Y'all see that? Electro & Co. Let's open it up and see what this stream kit is about, man. This is my first time ever getting an extreme kit, man. I'm like, man, I was hella happy, man. You know what I'm saying? Because it came 2 weeks early. I think it only took like 3 weeks to come, and they said it normally take like 6. Yeah, so I'm like stoked, bruh. Look at that. So we opening this thing up. We will check out and see how it's packaged. We want to hurry up and get this thing on there, man. All right. Oh, look at that right there. So this right here is supposed to hold the controller mount. Oh, it's the warning. We're gonna read that later with the stickers in it. Oh, instructions, huh? Assembly instructions. Oh, okay. Look at that. And we got the one motor. I always wanted that. So let's get in here. So the first thing I want to get out is this battery. We're going to slide the battery out first, because we want to put this battery on the charger right now. So the battery should be in here. So this battery is a 76 volt. I think it's 20 amp hours. So this is 76 volt 20. So they got it packaged up all nice. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, cool. So here we go. So this one is smaller. So this one is smaller than the other one I got. I got the 76 volt 24, I think. So this is the 20, so it's way smaller, and this one will be lighter too. So let's get this thing on the charger right quick. This extreme kit comes with everything, right? So you see, we just put out the battery. This is a 76 volt 20 amp hours, right? It comes with a charger with the plug, with the ports. So we got the tie downs for the battery. You know what I'm saying? So this string kit to me is really a budget kit, because it comes with everything. Look, the wire harness, the charge port, the throttle. See that? That's the throttle and the grips. You see this right here? This the voltmeter. And you see this? The on and off switch. Everything. You know what I'm saying? So we got all the little hardware out. Y'all see all that? I gotta make it look a little better. It's look kind of stuff everywhere. So these go on a charge port, you know what I'm saying, to the battery to give power to the charge port to the battery, and it goes to the controller to give power to the bike so we can move. So now let's see what's up in this thing. Put this down here. So right here it says warning what? I don't know. Right. So I think this is the motor, the one motor, what we've been waiting for. Oh, you see how they package it? Looks good. They package it real good. Pop that out. All right. There we go. There we go. The one. Dang. Oh, that's a nice size motor. You see that? So this is their signature motor, the Electro and Co. 1 motor. Yep. So we got the motor right here, the charger, the battery. So now we just need the controller. So you see everything it come with? So this right here in this box should be the noisy, crooked, and we will be ready to put everything together. There we go. True Moto. You see that? That's the True Moto Noisy Crooked. So let's put everything out. Throw this to the side. So we ready, man. So boom. This right here. We got the battery. This one is not even that heavy. That's hecka cool. This right here goes with this. And we got a charger. So this is the budget kit right here. This right here, everything I got right here is a budget kit. This is the cheapest kit that you can get for a razor to modify your razor, and it's the best kit on the market because everything is just bolt and play. You just bolt everything up and you ready to rip, man. So you see everything we got, you feel me? So now we're about to get ready and put everything on this razor right here. And we're gonna start that right now.